land that we love, our beautiful Sierra Leone, the best country in the world. The best country in the world, Sierra Leone.
The second kickoff will soon be taken by the Honorable President himself. After the first kickoff will be taken by the Deputy Speaker of the House. And we are here again to observe. Retire Brigadier Dr. Julius
Madabio for the kickoff.
Dr. Fatima Julius Madabio. Both are here with us now. And the second kickoff is something taken. The president in the yellow dress.
He's a footballer.
And now the man from Manners making
It's moving.
It's a nice one tonight.
Oh, yeah.
As we observe in the grand final here, the one organized by the Deputy Speaker of the House on the 7th annual trophy. The 7th annual trophy on this municipality. You understand? I understand. Okay, thank you. That's Reverend Father. And the second half in progress. Second half in progress now. And we are observing the second half. 20 minutes gone. In the next 15 more minutes, we might be sounding the whistle. And we are looking forward to see if Benducha 3-1-1 will send the ball at the back of the net to take this wonderful grand final to a penalty spot, which we normally call the one-man battling show. And that's what Benducha is looking forward to see.
Well,
they have a super goalkeeper between the two posts. I want to see Benducha, if they will come back again, to send the ball at the back of the net to draw this match to a penalty shootout. What is going to be your take, brother?
It's a matter of wait and see. Been trying their best, getting forward, getting the possession, but what they lack is to get the ball back of the net. Let's see. Probably the coming of the president will have to give goal on the part of Benducha FC. It's 1-0 municipal leading proceedings. This is the climax of the inter-world competition. Cavani is still going on the left-hand side. He's having two players to contend with. He's gone past one, and the ball is out for a corner. This is the final of the inter-world competition organized by Honorable Singapore Thomas. The second man at the house is the Deputy Speaker of the House. We've got the Chief Minister, Honorable Jacob Jusu Safa, aka JJ Blood. He's here with us. He's the President's retired Dr. Julius Madabio. And all parastators.
24 gunshot salute to our President and retired Brigadier Dr. Julius Madabio, the man of the people, Mr. Talk and Do, the African best leader. He has just been awarded as the best African leader by all leaders of Africa. No doubt, the Mr. New Direction, Mr. Talk and Do. He is man of the people, of the Messi, the greatest of all time. Of course, he is the only player who can play for 3 halves. He played for first half. The first half started in 1996, 2018 to 23, 23 to 28. He is the man of the people, no doubt. Mr. No Runoff, June 24th. He is the president of the nation. Bonthe campaign. We are here, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a grand final. It is indeed a pleasure for us all to be here, because our brother is among us and other dignitaries to witness this beautiful encounter. It shall remain a history if either of these two teams take this particular trophy into their trophy cabinet.
Municipal are still leading proceedings, courtesy of Bonthe, who got the goal at the first half of action. Ladies and gentlemen, this trophy is organized under the leadership of the Deputy Speaker of the House of Parliament, Honorable Singapore Thomas. A long throw from the man in 17, somebody heads it back, but referee indicated a goal kick on the part of Benducha Chief Don. Benducha are clouded in all green dominated jersey, white numbering with green stockings, playing from the right hand side, playing against Municipal, who are in their traditional colors of yellow and black, and it's 1-0. This time goalkeeper plays it short for Dante, Dante, and Barry this time is square. On the ball now for Benducha. They have having bulk of the possession, but still no goal on the pass. This is Square now, struggles down on the deck. Somebody sends a clearance, is Kamara. onto man in 12 jersey. They called him DJ Drogba, not the Ivorian Drogba. This is a Sierra Leonean Drogba. And for this time, he's a leading goal scorer. They call him Cavani on the left-hand side. He's having acres of land ahead of him. And Cavani strike into the gloves of the goalkeeper, who has been one of the most outstanding young goalkeepers in the competition. Good improvisation from the man in 16. This time it's Camara. He sends it to Marco Asensio in 12 for Municipal. Ball on the touchline now. Camara is gone past one, he's gone past two. He finds Madison Cavani now on the ball for Municipal, inviting the midfielder in 18 to no one in particular. Ball rolls towards the direction of the goalkeeper. And boy.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Cisse. Of course, ball in play, headed away by 307. Now Barry. Barry trying to get to Golo Kante. Golo Kante tries to beat one defender. Back to Tubaba. Golo Kante. Golo Kante is fouled, says the referee. Free kick to Benducha. Desperate here for an equalizer because they are already down by 1-0. Second half of play in this Honorable St. Paul Thomas organized trophy. Benducha taking that kick. The Brazilian Dante, the man they call Dante, the number 2 for Benducha, is taking that kick. Could he save his team? Dante watching, and he takes a long one. Right inside the hands of the goalkeeper. Of course, the man they call Edwin van der Sar. He has won many trophies in the mainland there. He takes a long kick, trying to connect to Cavani. Cavani in his head. Back to Dante. Dante is beaten by Cavani. Cavani again, number 11. Cavani went around. Oh! Oh! That was an opportunity, Askia. What's your take?
It was an opportunity for Dante or Golo Kante, but very unfortunate to send the ball out. That he was alone in the traffic, but Cavani alone was in traffic, but the Senegal defender denies him the opportunity, and now the ball went out for a corner kick. And now he's down there, he's still in pain. He's still in pain, Cavani in pain, he's limping at the pitch of play. And now it's the corner for 307. So mind you, wherever you are, we're running 5 live commentary on 606, 115, 505 on the Bonthe local derby on the grand final day here. A header there by Golo Kante, and our D5 intercepts. Another header again. The defender clears away, number 8. And we are still looking forward for another players coming in. And now another player again from the defender. A header there, collected there by the player from 307. And now Cavani dispossessed. Cavani again. To Cavani in 307 team.
Substitution, referee James. Substitution. Play continue, Mr. Referee.
So we are just getting a message from our Twitter page.
It's breaking.
That is a breaking news from the Twitter page that the parish dance, which are about to be hosted at the Senegal field here, now has been taken to its original place, right at the parish ground. No time for the town field, but now at the parish ground. It's a breaking news from our Twitter page, and it is free for every one of us.
Thank you, President.
It's absolutely free. The parish dance is free, and it's probably taken directly at its original place. No more town field, but at its parish ground. More mewelo, we change the dialect back to Mende. Mwamu wako mejiva parish rolinati patema ha. Tigde ketapate filijia. Mumewea keti ngama president ye o ginunga kole etilongi tuwa ijia. Keti lo miya geta pena biya habi joko pewo bufefe ibive. Dondo webi majo munga mamiage awena parish ground ya. Mukwana tamfieldi away. To free miya nukbeleba. Kopo ima bi ali ma we be fele sawana wu dweni uli ji agbima. We ma ji agbima. It's free and it's beautiful for us to have it tonight.
Substitution. Substitution. Abubakar or Abu Dawood in 5 is coming on for Mohamed Sisse in 16. The captain for Benducha is now handing over the captain band to the assistant captain, who is Squire. Abu Dawood in 5 is coming up for Mohamed Sisse. This is a substitution and it has been confirmed from the fourth man and the technical team of Benducha Chiefdom. Hamboy.
The runners-up for 2021 are anticipating to be the champions for 2022. A handball, the referee sends his whistle, quick or taken, but the referee slow down the business. Brazilian Dante, onto Golo Kante. Kante exposed it, but he won that one. And now meeting Falcao, they are battling. Kante won that one. Falcao, another one, and this time Falcao was booked in the book of the central official. If you're just coming in, you're welcome to this party. You're welcome to this biggest show in this municipality, as it is under the administration of Honorable Thomas Singapore. One substitution for Ward 307. Abubakar Conte out. Abubakar Conte and Thomas Yansane. Abubakar Conte, 2 minutes. Substitution. Abubakar Conte and Thomas Yansane. Remember, Abubakar Conte is a goal scorer in this grand final. He's making his way off. Conte is a goal scorer. The only goal for now that differentiates these two sides, even though it's not a decisive one. And there we go. Thomas Yansane. Long and high by Brazilian. Headed by Thomas Pico Jusu. Onto the Uruguayan, Edison Cavani. And there we go. Cavani lost that one. And of course, what a sluggish one at his own part. Churro. Moses Squire onto Didier. Didier, a loose one. And there we go. A player struggles. Barry onto Sidina. And Fode Kamara poses out for a churro in favor of onto you, Aska.
Thank you. Another breaking news from our Twitter page. We just got a breaking news that Mupare Muabi, Muama change your language change your Mubomuyele. Mubomuyele, Power Bolom there. Okay. So we have to speak the language as well, right?
A player down, and of course I can see the way this particular player is screaming. He's having a little bit of attention.
Another breaking news: we don't get say presidents don't pay for the parish dance. We now free for everyone of we. We're there now the usual ground. Also the host at St. Patrick's Hall. Then you don't tap on that. The pardon see again. He said it's final. This now free. Then you don't take, we always there, so if they pull them back now in pockets and pay, say you don't pay for we all and you have to do it, and it has already paid for all of us here. Mind you, it's a big one, and shall we clap for President, retired Brigadier Julius Madabio. So everything is free for us tonight, and it's going to enjoy Lele Mule.
Well, finally.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll move deep into Mwale Bowema. Doliji Ibiva. Premium, Kamawe Getila. Biale Babi Anima. Doliji Ibiva. From age 18 and above, that's Lele Mucho.
But if you are not between Mali and Aweo, so tonight is going to be Lelemu Parish Dance, right at the parish ground. Thank you for having us, and over to the commentary booth again.
And it's gonna be a kick in favor of World 307. World 307. Still one in favor of Sofian Kalon Boys. Madison Cavani, the troubleshooter on the left wing. He's a nice smear in front of the goalkeepers. When he meets the goalkeeper face to face, he assimilates like a demon. He changes shape. He changes color like Castilla. A Chester on the part of World 307. This time the Prince Moses Square. Referee plays substitution to be effected here. On the part of World 307. Xabi Hernandez to be injected into this shorter German. Abi Butua is limping off. Abi Butua in number 19 for 307, and Majuba known as Xabi Hernandez is set to be injected into this soccer German. He's ready to showcase his talent here on the speed. Slowly moving, Abi Butua. His team are leading, but not a decisive one. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we have an impressive lineup of celebrated speakers in the districts. Of course, we are sons of the soil. Left us for quite some time, we'll back. And so, for our reunion, of course, don't forget, one time, an African best writer, and Chino actually once said, when we gather in a village moonlit ground, we do not gather for the moon. Everyone can see the moon in his own house. Everyone can see the moon in his own compound. But we gather because it is good for kinsmen to gather. The president of this nation, retired Brigadier Julius Bio, doctor, of course, with organizers, thought it's fit for us to gather because it is good for kinsmen to gather. Everyone can see the moon in his own compound. You can see the moon in your own house, but it is good for us to gather. Absolutely, football is playing here tonight at its best in a dramatic. And of course, the president, Madapio, is going to hand in the trophy. He is the Emir of Qatar.
That's the whistle for the end of this match.
And it is over. History. My goodness, the president, Julius Madapio, is going to hand in the trophies to these guys of World 307. What an opportunity here for Sophia Kalon Boys to do this one. Absolutely, first in history for them to record this particular trophy, for them to put this one into the trophy cabinet. DJ, you wait. My goodness. It's ended one in favor of Van der Sar. Crazy. He does not know where to go. The unthinkable unfolds before our eyes. This is absolutely crazy here for the guys from Benucha World 311. Of course, don't forget, we are fighting around here. I am Keketo Masowa, the poets. And we have Ebes and Kim, the Lion Boys. We have Sisse Askia Wenger. Of course, we have DJ Ambo, Mr. Sisse. We've here stuck to our kids. We've done everything humanly possible. I hope our fans enjoy this thing. They enjoy being part of our commentary. I hope to join them. Because DJ.
Mr. DJ.
DJ, please wait. We have to give more analysis.
DJ, we have to give analysis to this match. Yes, the game has just ended here, and we are, of course, expecting the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone to award the
trophy to the winners.
The trophy to the winners. The winners are World 307. This is their first time of winning this competition.
Of course,
so we all know, of course, the President is passionate about football. Under his leadership, Sierra Leone have gone twice in the African Nations Cup. We have won one full cup, and of course recently the Female Premier League has just been initiated under his leadership. So under his leadership, football promises to take permanent place in Sierra Leone.
The African best
player. They will be awarding the trophy to the winner.
No question, Jesus Madapio, the president of this nation, in 1996 took Sierra Leone for AFCON, again in 2021. Hey, officers! The man, the best in the goals, Maradona, the best in Ronaldo, you name it, the Mbappe.
the attention of everybody. The president, the conductor, and all. We all man pay attention. The president, the conductor, we all. Ready for you, we all know discipline. We all man pay attention and listen to
we begin playing this trophy. These are season 7 of this particular trophy. We don't begin this particular competition 7 years ago. 7 years ago, these are the number 7 season. This particular one, I want to take this opportunity for informing and say, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, my own brother, retired Brigadier Dr. Julius Presidentbio, now he sponsored this particular trophy. We don't say every year the parking car can spend Christmas between us also. We don't say the car can spend Christmas between us also. That's what I say in Lekwi. The issues relating to this island is close to the pine heart. And I make one day we don't see president can't sit down at this field, the white football. Not also. The mere fact say we don't see your brother, the president of this whole country can't sit down. That the town I say he get this island at heart. So we are, I want to pay attention as they present this trophy. The can't tell now he personally sponsor this particular competition. So I tell now thank you for pay attention.
Good afternoon, everybody, and good evening. Bonthe, we there? Are we there? Well, I'm glad for witness this final match, the end of the tournament. I don't see the whole game, but I also nobody not going to blame me say I wear yellow for support the municipality. But when I know that I've been the charge for pass for go back home. And I'm truly happy that this is the 7th edition of this football tournament for Nakino every year. Waiting make at the CANOE, now for make we bring the Bonthe family together again. We don't reach time, as we all know, the island we don't go down to the point that we don't die. What we do so, now for make sure say we bring everybody together, the young people them, and the one that we don't the Freetown and abroad, for me make here again, so that Bonthe will be the Bonthe we started before. So I'm happy for the tournament, and I congratulate all the teams that will participate. Of course, the winners are here, the runners up are here. Which are this other team? Okay, so I congratulate you all, because the fact that when I get the third place means say we are a team forever with the district. So I say thank you to you all. And of course, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, the judge, they talk about waiting me with the CANOE. Now we are home this. We're not going to farm it for them. We're not going to farm to go into a state of disrepair. Now injustice for make one of the territories of the Republic of Sierra Leone, because it did be in water. We never go down. That I make, however difficult it is, I can count all my family, we will call friends then, and we will tell all people that will come on at the district to make CANOE once or twice or as many times as possible. But of course, when I don't say this, in a few days we'll get into 2023, no so? Yes, sir. No, so, thank you. Of course, very soon, by the end of next year, the small economy on the island, we will make things that they exchange like that, money there, the young people there, and so on and so forth. But above all, I beg, why will they play ball, will they joke, will they do everything, will they provide medical services and everything, we will not forget education. This will be one of the cities then where will they produce the most educated people in this country. Time been there before, well, yeah, if you've been born there, you get a British passport immediately. Yes? If you don't know that one day, if you're born at this island, then tell them you get a British passport straight. That means that you not visa again. Time been there, everything be the like, Father, I had to wait man, they be left for so long. Pass 3 to 7. So, we start we get so now big place, an important place. I know I won't forget that. That make me I go take CANOE because that's a historic place. I will not forget that. Yeah? So at the time when I plenty thank you, congratulations. When I bring the trophy that I will give you now in the order in which we put it. Thank you. place winners. Now 3 million.
Hey, Paul. Hey, chief.
Runners up. Furniture. 5 million. You also get a purse of 8 million.
Okay.
So this next, now all owners and public Spanish, the guys are free. Now all owners and public Spanish business are free, huh? Congratulations.